On a social level, there are also typical reactions. Connecting again, going out again, open for other perspectives, better listening. Those are all examples of the restoration phase and what happens on a social level. Now pause the video and research some other aspects on a social level. What happens when there's a more relaxed state? What happens when the parasympathetic nervous system is more activated? What happens in this restoration phase? So pause the video and find some more. Or look at your own perspective, look at your own life history just after the stress when you were relaxed. What did you do different on a social level?
Now continue and just hit the subscribe button so you'll never miss any valuable content.